We'll now go through the process of creating a MetaMask account using a mobile device. First step, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the official MetaMask app. Get started and create a new wallet. Create a new password and make sure to store it somewhere safe. If you haven't before, please watch this secret recovery phrase video. It's very important that you understand what this is and why you need to store this phrase offline and not just take a screenshot or copy it and WhatsApp it to yourself or email it to yourself. So, yes, get a pen and a piece of paper and write it down. After you've written down your 12 words in the right order and you've double checked the spelling, you can click continue. You will find that your 12 words are now scrambled at the bottom. Select each word in the order it was presented to you from 1 to 12. When you are done, hit complete and voila, well done.